How to cash out BetMGM withdraw on BetMGM. Now, if you want to cash out or withdraw on BetMGM, first of all, launch the BetMGM app, log into your account, tap on the profile icon from the top right of the screen, select the option called cashier, and you'll be taken to cashier settings, from where you have to simply select the option called withdraw. Once you select withdraw, on the next page you have to simply add your online bank by clicking the add payment method button. Then after that, you can select online banking as the withdraw method. And once you've done that, enter the amount in USD that you would like to withdraw and click on the withdraw option. After you've done that, on the next page, you have to simply click on the request withdrawal button. And after a certain amount of time, your money will be estimated and deposited to your bank account. This way, you'll be able to cash out in BetMGM. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and as always, see you soon in the next video.